Hi, this is me, Om. I'm making this video because it's cool outside to come because it's rainy season and the rain is continuously raining. I don't know what to say, but it's cool to come outside. And my home is surrounded by some mountains, and that mountains is not appearing because of fog and some clouds. This is crazy to watch it. I will show you when I will go to home, but now you can say this is the path where no one is around me, just me and my phone and you guys. Here is a highway. That highway you can see everything is fog, and this is the great feeling to see it. I'm feeling very alive that I'm watching it. I'm living it. Really, trees are looking so greenish. Everything is fine. I will show you the mountains, don't worry, when I will go to my home. And also now if I see that mountains, because this tree you can see and this highway behind it, there is a mountain. Look at this view, man. Crazy. Bye, I will show you later. Look at this view, guys. This is so closely to national highway and so many trucks go through it. It's so good. You can see that truck that stopped because of raining, because it's so hard. It's so hard raining. Now I'm about to show you the mountains. Mountains or hills, you can say. Here's the truck which is coming. This is the mountain I was talking about. This is all covered by a fog. There, after behind that trees, there are also mountain, but you cannot see because of fog. And the noise you are listening, because I'm in a highway, not in my home. This is the highway, guys, and this is my umbrella. But it's so crazy to go outside in this season. Beautiful shot I just taken now. The trees you can see, wait, I will show you. These trees you can see a little layer of hills and mountains that's all covered by fog and clouds. You cannot see that, but it's crazy. So this was my experience. This is what I'm saying. I'm loving it. So see you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. I know I said bye, but I wanted to show you how it looks from my terrace of my house. So this is the backside of my home, and slowly you can see that mountain. Sorry, hill, you can say anything, mountain or hill. Look at that. Look at that. And so crazy. There are also hills, mountains, and here you can say a national highway. And this is the tree. So this was the view. Now it's officially bye from me.